Welcome to the second episode of UI UX design course. After watching this video, you will be able to answer following questions. What are types of careers in UI UX design? What are their average salaries? What tools or skills they utilize? What are the deliverables? What they deliver to company at the end. Since these fields are so interconnected that each company may differ in titles of these UX jobs. So I will provide all the alternative names they use in any company, so you will learn alternative names of these careers. Also, you will be able to answer yourself what you should be. That's most important. In the upcoming videos, we will be doing everything that we are talking today. Don't worry, so let's get started. There can be three environments where you can work or working currently: freelance, small company, and huge company. In freelance, you face different types of clients with different requirements. Since UI and UX are so congested with each that you will be doing each task in UI UX as a beginner. Same is with small companies where there are less number of employees and budget is low. So it's fine for them to hire a single UI UX designer. There's little bit risk, but most of companies take it. They can't afford many members, so you may be working alone. Your work burden and contribution for company is very high, but you learn a lot in these kind of environments. Now, if we talk about well-established companies like Google, Amazon, and Apple, they have large number of teams specific for each task. Your contribution to company will be very small but very important. Since these kind of companies have very large audience, you will be working for millions of people. In UI UX field, there are 7 types of employees that work there. Number 1 type is visual designer. Alternative name for this career that is used in industry is UI designer and web UI designer. UX designer deliver low fidelity designs to UI designer and then he fills it with design elements to make it attractive for user. So if you see any job with visual designer title and you are working as a UI designer, you can apply to that job. It's same, don't be confused. The famous tools a visual designer or UI designer use are Adobe XD, Figma and Sketch. I have already uploaded a Figma 30 minutes crash course, check it out. UI designer delivers design screens, fonts, buttons, colors info and prototypes. Here you might think, what is the difference between graphic designer and UI designer? Like a graphic designer can design UI screens? Answer is no, since graphic designer is about art, but UI design is about conversation between user and design. In UI, main focus is to make design easy to use. So graphic design is something different. But if you are a graphic designer, it will be easy to design UI if you wish to change your field. I'm sorry for distraction. Let's continue our topic. The average salary of a UI designer is $64,000. Please note that salaries that I am going to tell you are not exact. It depends upon your experience, location, and company. Number 2 type is UX researcher. Alternative name for this is user experience researcher, user analyst, usability researcher. He is the person who performs complete research. He is basically behind the scenes of designs we actually see on app. The key responsibilities of a UX researcher is to empathize with users, set goals of product, find user needs, conduct user research, usability testing, and interviews. Tools they may use are user testing, user Zoom, Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, or he may use Papers. He delivers reports and analysis about users' behaviors like what they need. He delivers these to UX designer. The salary of a UX researcher is approximately 85,000. On number 3, we have UX strategist. Alternative name for UX strategist is technical strategist. A UX strategist works between UX and business strategy. They act as a bridge between user needs, or in other words, UX and business of a company. Their purpose is to understand the UX and serve the business of a company to that user research data. They have big picture of a company in their mind. They are very good at negotiation and communication skills. They have to communicate with the CEO of company and a junior level designer. That's why communication is key for this role. Mostly all UX strategists have the skills to understand the end users. In other words, they are familiar with UX field. The average salary of UX strategist is $83,000. On number 4, we have UX designer. The alternative name for a UX designer are experience designer and interaction designers. Interaction designers are specialized type of UX designers. They deal with only user paths or flow. UX designers communicate with UX researchers. They take data from UX research and transform these to user flows. They are responsible for user research, user personas, wireframes, and low fidelity prototypes. Their role is very critical for a company. They are basically user responses to a design layout. The salary of a UX designer is $74,000. On number 5, we have UX writer. Alternative name for this job can be a UX copywriter, content strategist, UX content strategist, technical writer, and content designer. In few words, I would say UX writer is responsible for writing text on an app or web. They help users to understand the product by words. They contribute in product development by delivering button text, menus, error messages, or anything related words. This kind of text is microcopy. The salary of a UX writer is $46,000 to $1,60,000. On number 6, we have UX UI designer. This is one man army. He is doing user research, testing, wireframes, low fidelity prototype to final screens and prototypes. Usually smaller companies hire these kind of designers as I have already discussed before. Deliverables include user personas, empathy maps, wireframes, final screens, low fidelity and high fidelity prototypes, colors, assets, and fonts. The salary of a UX UI design is $85,000. On number 7, we have UX Unicorn. These perform all the tasks as mentioned above with an additional of front-end development. So if you are a person with IT background and want to be a UI UX designer, this role might be waiting for you. But it's something hard to do and people tend to avoid it to make their life easier. Deliverables include everything as I have discussed before and including front-end code. The salary of a UX Unicorn, average salary is $85,000. Which one you should be? As a startup, just learn everything. At least you should have knowledge, as you will be working in a team and you are already aware of congestion of these UI UX field, like how much these fields are connected to each. Focus on a thing which clicks you most and make it your core skills and get hired by a company. That's it. In the next video, I will be talking about the basic principle of UI UX design. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video.